I'm at Higham. I am the lead visual effects and technical artist at Spookhouse.
What contribution of yours to Spookhouse are you most proud of?
Probably the particle effects. I've done most of those, if not all of them. My process there is to first check the asset store, find something that might look good, might work for it, download that, maybe make some adjustments, or use that as a basis to make my own stuff from scratch. Especially the fright points particle effect is probably my best one so far.
What advice would you give to yourself if you could go back to when you first started to create Spookhouse?
Work harder.
Oh my god.
Probably the same thing that Carrie gave you. A little bit different. We all put in a lot of time, especially when we were crunching before we submitted to IGF. But just having more organized work sessions. It took us a long time to find our groove with how we did meetings, design meetings versus work sessions or game jams. Now we've got a really good system, and I just wish we would have been this organized from the get-go.
What was the most difficult asset for you to implement?
The most difficult, that's a tough one actually. Not the one that I implemented, but the hardest asset to get in was probably the original 3D Gesk model. One of our old team members, Ray Stump, had to model the exoskeleton from scratch, and then he had to create animations for it, and then getting those animations to work and look good in Unity it took a really long time. And we've scrapped that whole system now. We're moving to sprite based, so it's kind of the nature of the beast. But a lot of times the work that you'll do just gets scrapped, so it's kind of annoying. But
what problem in Spookhouse keeps you up at night?
Nothing specifically, but if there's a particular bit of code I'm working on that just isn't playing nice, or it's giving me an error that I can't find, that time sometimes you'll hit a roadblock that you can't get over for a few days until you can meet with some other members of the team, and that'll run through my head at night a lot of times. I lose a couple hours of sleep probably a week for when that happens.
What is the most annoying thing Carrie does to you every day?
It's very easy for Carrie to get kind of his panties in a wad. He's always freaking out about the state of the game, and now we've got like two extra members. We got Evan and Max, and now we're in super good shape, even though Carrie's always freaking out and doesn't sleep at night. But I think we're in pretty good shape.